So I've just moved it over. I've increased the RPM to 18,000. If we show you, we can go upload, code 2, open, zoom out a little bit. You can see that that's what we got there. Which one? That one's a good one. Let's go back to code view. That's it. So in theory, play, starting up. I see, so it's just ripped it because it's hit there and pulled it out, but that's alright. Move this out the way. Disconnect this. I should turn off the vacuum bed. That's a much nicer cut. Look at that. That's nice and straight. So that was melamine, you could just poke it out, but I mean, that's a pretty good cut.